Hi, Andy.
Oy, welcome back.
Love the architecture, ha?
Thank you. Modern Asian style yan.
Ang lush ng garden mo.
Thanks. Laki kasi ng space kaya G ako sa pagkaplantita. Hindi lang yan. May extra space pa if I wanna use it as a garage for another car.
Wow!
Bongga, diba? Tara, let's go inside.
Ang luwag ng bahay mo.
True. Easy to move around pa. I have 2.5 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, and a balcony.
Wow! Pwede pa maglagay ng accent light sa taas ng ceiling mo.
Right? Ang aliwalas pa. At dahil may 21% window-to-wall ratio, achieve ang natural lighting.
Taray!
Operable din ng windows, kaya presko sa loob. Kita mo? Fresh pa rin ako. Tipid pa sa aircon.
Bet. Ganda rin ang layout, ha?
Yes, dahil they use innovative construction technology, column-free, at load-bearing yung walls. Kaya hindi talaga ako takot mag-hang ng mabibigat na paintings or gamit on the walls.
Di ba maingay when you do voiceovers?
Not at all. Alam mo, pag solid concrete walls, tahimik. Tapos, fire-resistant. Kaya I feel #safe.
#amazing!
Hindi rin ako nag-worry sa mga anay.
Solid nga! What else makes you feel safe here?
Since this house was made with matte foundation, matatag talaga yung structure.
That's good to know. Alam mo, lakas makasosyal ng tiles mo.
Siyempre, high quality yan. Pati yung finishes dito sa house, para durable.
Yayamanin!
Remember the extra space I showed you earlier?
Yeah.
I plan to build my bedroom here sa ground floor when I retire.
Aw, that's so nice.
They put a lot of thought into making this house talaga.
Mukhang mapapabili na rin ako ng hamana.
Hintayin ko yan, ah.
Palay mo, soon.
Sige, see you soon, neighbor!